let's read. Come on. We like sentences with pictures. We do, don't we? We can find words with the P sound. Are you ready? Let's read it kind of slow. I like a, there's that word again, pig. It's kind of a cute pig. I like him. I like a panda. Pandas live over in China. Did you know that? I like a pickle. Ooh. Do you like pickles? Maybe sometimes. I like a pumpkin. Now, the P sound, that's what we're learning about. P, P, the P sound. Can you hear that P sound? P, P. It's kind of a small sound, isn't it? Your mouth kind of closes and then it pops. P, P. It's really quiet though. You don't make any noise with your throat. It's all blowing. P, P. Let's see if we can find a picture that starts with that P sound. We have a key, we have a lock, and we have a pig. Did you hear any of those with a P sound? Let's try one more time. Key, lock, pig. Did you hear that P sound? I did. I heard it on the word pig. Pig starts with P, so I heard that P sound. All right? Now we have 3 more pictures. Let's see if Magic Rabbit can show which picture starts with that P sound. You ready? I have a pan, I have a strawberry, and I have a bear. Which of these pictures starts with the P sound? Pan, strawberry, bear. Which one starts with that P sound? P. Pan. Pan starts with the P sound. P. Can you hear that? Is he right? You are, Magic Rabbit. Let's try again. How about I have a pin, I have a slide, and I have a rocking horse. Which one starts with that P sound? Pin, P, pin, slide, rocking horse. P, 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 P. Pin. Pin starts with that P sound. It's kind of hard to catch that P sound sometimes because it goes by so fast. It's just a real quick pop, you know, like popcorn. And so, when you don't hear it, sometimes you have to say the word a few times, right? It's hard to say the P sound slowly, so you have to say the word several times. Like for pin, you almost don't hear a P sound. And I can't go pin. That doesn't sound right. So I just have to say pin, and then I have to say it again, pin, until I can hear that P sound. Okay? Let's try one more group of pictures. Can you find the word with the P sound? These are all foods, aren't they? We have a banana, we have peas, and we have a radish. Banana, peas, radish. I heard that P sound. I heard it with the peas. Good job. Can you find the picture that starts with the P sound? P.